Okay, I'm going to talk about how to create free low-cost diapers, um, toddler training pants, woman pads, adult depends, and other things, other needs like that. Okay, like the breastfeeding pads or whatever requires absorbency. Okay, many people buy the over-the-counter or the people have been buying diapers for many years. However, they don't always notice that they can easily create cheap, free, low cost, reusable items. So you don't constantly have to buy the same thing over and over. Now, I'm not the ultimate expert on all of this. You just have to be creative and think about it, okay? You don't have to use all the supplies that I'm listing, but just to use your creativity, okay? Diapers are a very common thing that people use, and yes, they are. They seem to be cheaper today than they were yesterday, meaning cost comparison in relation to um, other needs and other things that I see on the market. Anyway, like a diaper from from the past might have been 50 cents in compared to a woman pad, which was like um, 25 cents. These days, it seems like diapers are 15 cents and women pads are 50 cents. It depends on what it is. Okay. And where you're at and whatever. And the brands. Anyway, first of all, what you need is Dollar Tree supplies. Go to Dollar Tree, find variations in supplies. Yes, you'll need something that will supply your basic things like your absorbency things. There's a variety of different things you can look for. You can look in different sections, like the kitchen section. They have dish drying rack, um, dish, dish drying towels, which are for dish drying the dishes. So you can buy those towels for absorbency. You can look in the car section, find various towels and things. Whatever you find. You might even find the rugs, those little rugs in Dollar Tree. Whatever the case is. And you don't even have to use Dollar Tree. You can use other things like Goodwill or some used supply store that supplies bed sheets. Whatever. Okay. Depending on what you need and the size, you will need it for diapers. If you want a full set of cloth diapers, you'll need at least, I would say, 30 to 40 specific cloth diapers, depending on how many um, things you want to make. And if you have a sewing machine, you have sewing skills or not. It depends on what you're doing. Those wonderful microfiber towels are wonderful. Okay. You can find a whole set of them at Walmart, multiple microfiber towels. Oh, those are wonderful for cloth diapering. Okay. Anyway, you need at least 40 to get a for a full set if you don't want to worry about buying diapers over and over again. Okay, and you want to reduce the diaper cost from 15 cents per diaper, depends on the brand, um, down to 5 cents per diaper with cloth diapering. You're reducing the cost basically, and the garbage supply, the garbage loads. Okay, you're reducing your garbage outtake. Anyway, get the absorbency thing. Also get the waterproof covers. Okay, I've used pet bags. They work for a diaper cover. All you have to do is cut out some legs, and then they fit a young baby that's under 6 months in size, a typical 6 month old. They'll fit a 6 month and under. Um, Pet bags will work for a diaper cover when you need a temporary cover. Okay. Um, you could use basic plastic bags for waterproof covers. However, they're not as sturdy, and you want to make sure there's no holes in those. The pet bags, there's no holes in those. Shower caps work wonderfully. Those can be used over and over and over again. If you have a sewing machine and you can sew little legs in those work wonderful. And they work for under the 6 month and under babies, and they might work up till 1 year. I'm not sure. I'm not certain on the 1 year age group. Depends on the size of the baby. Anyway, um, you can use shower curtains inside of a regular diaper. Just tape, paste, or um, sew a shower curtain inside of a regular diaper. Okay. You could put a shower curtain sewn into a training pants, the training pants for babies. Sew the shower curtain inside a diaper, whatever works, okay, for your size and your skills, okay? You'll need a waterproof filler inside of diaper, like you see the shelf liners or the wall lining stuff or whatever works for filling the diaper to make sure that there's a waterproof lining so that you can reuse a regular diaper. Yes, you can reuse your diaper or fill it in. What you're going to do is create a barrier. So you have the outside barrier, which might be a diaper. This is just a frugal way to reuse your diapers. Okay. Use one diaper instead of constantly, yeah, okay. You can fill in your diaper with a diaper liner so that you consistently use a different diaper. Okay. You need that absorbent diaper, which is the basic, okay, see the picture over here. I have, your absorbent diaper, which would be your microfiber or whatever you're using. Okay. Okay, fold that in thirds or whatever you need. Okay. So you'll have your basic, it looks like a basic cloth diaper. If you want to make a sewing, you can sew up whatever you need. Okay. Sew it up to the size that you need if you want. If you want to do a sewing, you'll find patterns for cloth diapers. Or you just create a cloth diaper out of a regular diaper, basically. You got to put your waterproof filler in there, which would fill it in, whether it's a shower curtain or whatever. Okay. Then you put in your absorbent diaper part, which you see the square size. Okay. Um, okay. And the cover over the absorbent part. So you got that. Okay. So you'll have the absorbent part. You'll have the cover over that. Whatever's working for you and your skills. Okay. All right. You'll all over top of those parts, you'll need mom pads work, so you don't have to reuse diapers. You can use mom pads, panty liners, dog training pads cut apart because babies get poopy messes. So you use dog training pads instead of the regular diaper. Those cut apart saves you more money. Okay? All right. And what you do is you use the painter's tape. Painter's tape works fine. It works great. You don't have to worry about the waterproof issues. Of course, there's duct tape, but duct tape is too strong, so painter's tape works wonderfully. Okay. Yeah. Depending on your skill and your level and what you want to do, tape your diaper together to make a pad and all of that. Okay. So yeah, there's different ideas you could use for training pants as well when the baby grows up. Obviously, all you need is two separate diapers. Create your waterproof liner cover and create the absorbency things. And then also, just like the regular diapers, put in the dog training pads as a panty liner, mom pads. I've even heard of people using Viva paper towels to clean up the poopy messes instead of constantly having to soak cloth diapers, okay? Or cloth training pants, whatever, okay? All right, so we got some ideas about how to create frugal, low-cost diapers, reusable diapers, okay? You can do the same ideas for woman pads. You can use cloth absorbent things like microfiber and place it inside of different sewn together items from Dollar Tree. Use washcloths instead and just tape them together with painter's tape. It's so much cheaper, you know. You can still use panty liners if you want for mom pads. It's just a matter of how you deal with cloth. Same thing for adult, depends. Once again, use dog training pads to catch the messes, okay? And there's other needs for absorbency like breastfeeding pads and whatever. Just think about how you use your supplies. Okay, thank you and good day.